Okay, builder number 11. Starting with the addition problem. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Regroup that 1. And 4 plus 1 is 5. 559. Subtracting, I start in the ones place. I have 2 ones minus 6 ones, and I can't do that. So I have to go next door and get 10 more. 12 minus 6 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. 26. 5 times 0, 5 groups of 0 is 0. 2 groups of 0 is 0. 1 group of 1 equals 1. 6 groups of 1 equals 6. 9 groups of 5, count my 5s 9 times, you get 45. 7 groups of 1 is 7. 4 groups of 0 equals 0. 10 groups of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 3 groups of 5 is 15. 8 groups of 5 is 40. Okay, on money, we're trying to make 15 cents. The fastest way would be to use 1 dime and 1 nickel. There are lots of other ways that we can make 15 cents. One other way we could make 15 cents would be 3 nickels, 5, 10, 15. We could use 15 pennies. We could use a dime and 5 pennies. Can't use any quarters though, that'd be too much. So the answer for what the fewest number of coins needed would be 2, because I can do it the fastest with 2 coins, 1 dime, 1 nickel. Comparisons, we're comparing 852 and 825. They both start with 800. We have 5 tens and 2 tens, and 5 tens is larger. So we're going to put our symbol this way. 852 is greater than 825. Place value blocks, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hundredths. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. We have 2 tens, 10, 20, and 2 ones. That's 2. When we add that all up, we get 522. Our place value chart, we're going to put our number 6,476. Remember, this sign means groups of. We have 6 groups of 1,000. I have 6 groups of 1,000. That's 6,000. 4 groups of 100. 4 groups of 100 equals 400. 7 groups of 10. 7 groups of 10 is 70. And 6 groups of 1, and that equals 6. When we add these up, if we've lined them up correctly, should get the same number we started with, 6,476. On our number line, again, our intervals, we're counting by 25s, by quarters. So 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250. 65. 65 is more than 50 but less than 75. 92 is more than 75 but less than 100. 105 is more than 100 and less than 125. 185 is more than 175, it's less than 200. 210 comes between 200 and 225. And our vocabulary. Blank is 10 times the hundreds place. If I have 10 hundredths, that makes 1,000. So our thousands place is 10 times the hundredths place. Blank is each group of 3 digits separated by commas in the place value chart. These are our groups right here. This is called the ones period. This is the thousands period. Each of those groups is called a period on the place value chart. Blank is a mathematical sentence where one side is not equal to the other. Keywords there, not equal. It's an inequality. Right here is an example of an inequality. We have two numbers that are not equal to each other, and we use these inequality less than and greater than symbols. Blank is 10 times the ones place. If I have 10 ones, that makes a 10, so that's the tens place. And blank is a number written out to show all the place values. That is expanded notation. Just like we did here, where we told the value of each digit in that number.